Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by impaired social interaction, verbal and non-verbal communication, and repetitive behavior.
Autism is not an illness, nor it is a disease. It is a neurodevelopmental disorder. When we say neurodevelopmental, it means there is something wrong between the connections in the neurotransmitters of the brain. Just like many other people, I had absolutely no idea what is autism until I came to know that my son, Wise, might have it. Wise was diagnosed with moderate autism when he was 3 years old. Being a mother, it was a very big shock for me to find out that my child, who looks absolutely fine, just like any other child, who laughs, who plays, who cries, who feels every emotion, but still he has an invisible disability, and that disability has no cure. I received lots of parenting advice from so many people all around me, even from those who had no idea about autism.
Children with autism are indifferent to social engagement. They may be unresponsive to people because they have difficulty understanding instructions. They are also unable to express themselves and understand the language of others. People with autism have said that the world is like a mass of people, places, and events for them, which they struggle to make sense of and which cause them considerable anxiety.
Autism, when first time I've heard about autism, it was completely a very new term for me, something I have never known that exists, and something I never believed that my own daughter is suffering from autism. I don't even know that there are some disease in this world or some behavioral disorder that never have any medication. Science has never created or never have any cures for autism. It was a depressing moment. Of course, we were in a state of denial, and we have been to a lot many therapists, many doctors just to get it checked if there is any medication for it. But then it turned out that autism is something, it's not a disease, it's a disorder. Then I knew what is autism, I read about it. Then I knew that my kid can never be the normal one. My kid can never be competing against the other kids in the family. She will always be maybe standing just outside the crowd.
Autism does not label a child, nor does it define his or her capabilities. It's just a condition that they're born with. It's just how they are. It's their normal.
Now, with the help of early intervention, different kinds of therapies such as speech therapy, behavior therapy, occupational therapy, and with the way we treat our son at home, Wise is making great progress. At the age of 5 years, now he is able to talk, to do basic communication. He has started to write, and he is learning to read as well. When I see Wise making such great progress and trying to manage himself in this confusing world around him, I really feel proud of my son. I will tell everyone, please, autism is not the end of this world. It is the beginning of a whole new one.
Autism cannot be cured, but it can surely be made positive by providing special children with enough resources and training that can help them lead an independent life, just like you and I.
I have different milestones to cherish her for. My milestones, I create milestones every day for her. I create milestones in every next moment for her. And now I see I have done a lot, like my journey is almost like she's 15 years old now. And whenever I look back, there are all happy moments I know. Zainab is always been a special child, and she has given me so much immense pleasure in our life, to me, to my husband, to our family, that she's just a happy child. I mean, she is capable of doing so much.
Love and support, along with proper schooling and special therapies for these children, can help them achieve a lot. And this is what we at PSNC are aiming for.
I have a child all my life who is with me, who is not dishonest, who is not disloyal. There are plenty of other things which are very good for her. She's capable of handling herself very well. She's capable of taking care of myself. She's capable of. She's an independent child. I don't think so. She's burdened to me, to my husband, to our family, or to the society. All I can say to all the parents who have special need kids, it's a blessing maybe, that maybe Allah is testing us for something that or maybe Allah is just blessing us with something like that.
We at PSNC work to achieve two main goals that could assure a positive development of children with special need.
We try to engage parents and the whole of the community in order to spread the boundaries of special need awareness and to increase community support.
We also have our special education project in which we aim to provide accessible and appropriate education to children with learning and developmental difficulties.
We would like all of you to join us so that we can help these children and support them in leading an independent and happier life.
A life that they deserve.
A life full of potential.
Because they're amazing.
Because they are beautiful.
Like every other child.